Today is May 13th, 2014. I'm Brock.
And I'm Alexis.
And you're watching PNN. Online registration for online summer courses will open May 1st, 2014 to June 10th, 2014, or until classes are full. Summer courses begin June 16th and must be completed by August 1st. Courses offered are Business Information Management and Communication Applications, and also Health. Current 8th graders can take PE Foundations of Personal Fitness.
Visit www.cfbonline.org for information about registering for online courses offered by CFB Virtual Campus. Time is running out to purchase your Panther yearbook. The price is $35. Order online at www.jostensyearbook.com or bring your order form and money to Miss Foster in C114. Don't delay, buy yours today.
Hey Polk Panthers, do you think you can dance? Well, if you do, come and participate in the Polk Panther dance competition during Panther Day. This competition will be for jazz, contemporary, hip-hop, ballet, tap, and any other dance I have not mentioned. There will be absolutely no twerking.
Keep in mind we have less than 20 school days left, but we still have lots of work to do. So don't let all of your hard work this year go to waste. Your final exam is important. The final counts as 20% of your semester grade.
There are no reassessments on the final.
There are no early finals or for vacation or other absences.
Failing to take the final for any reason would earn you an incomplete. You would not have a final grade for the semester or year, and your promotion to the next grade is in jeopardy.
Pay attention to what your teacher reviews with you. It's probably going to be on the test.
Panther Day is May 30th. More info to come. Thank you for watching, and always remember,
Never forget. Wait, what was it again?
I forgot. Oh well, stay classy, Ted Polk Middle School.